Hey, no.
Okay, bye.
Noah! Noah!
Noah!
Stop.
Noah!
Stop. 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 What do you want?
Noah, you know what happened to me last night, Noah? You know what happened to me last night?
I really don't care.
Well, you see,
Oh, God.
I was kidnapped by Jay Leno last night.
And he did the most undescribable things to me.
And then... Noah? Noah?
Noah? Noah?
Noah? Noah? Noah? Noah? Master, please. No. Noah, please. Please. Master. Noah.
And then he just decided to do the most terrible thing.
You ruined last night's episode of Smallville for me. It's horrible. Anyways, you want to see my new friend? How do you like my new friend? His name's Tard.
Hard? What?
Anyways, can I come in? Thanks. So, how was your day?
Well, it was actually pretty good. Tell mine.
Nuh-uh. Tard doesn't think so. Tard is thinking about something else. Was that Tard? Was it Tard? Yeah, Tard's having a pretty good day, and he thinks you're having a crappy one.
I'm gonna kill
Well,
Tard.
anyways, you know, I haven't been able to...
Do anything, because these things... So, yeah, Tard's pretty much been doing everything for me.
Isn't that right, Tard? Isn't that right?
Isn't that right, Tard? Yeah, it so is. It's so... Tard.
Poor Tard. Broke his paw.
I'm so thirsty, Noah.
What do you want me to do?
You blind? Can't you see I can't go anywhere? So I'm thirsty. Can you get me a drink, please? Oh. Tard wants one too.
Fine. What do you want to drink?
Well, how about a pizza?
That's not a drink, Cook.
How about a pizza?
What does Tard want?
I don't know. Let me ask him. What do you want to drink? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Well, Tard says he wants your life.
I'm just gonna figure out water. Here's your water.
Thanks. Here you go, Tard. Here you go. Don't drown. Don't drown.
It's kind of cold in here.
Oh, you want my sweater? Yeah? Yeah. You want my sweater? Okay. What about my shoes? You want my shoes? Huh? What about my pants? You want my pants? What about my life? Want my life?
Dude, just calm down. Calm down.
Yeah, you're right, I'm okay. Anyways. Me and Tard are gonna be going now. These crutches are getting annoying. Much better. Okay, bye now.